Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for profitable digital products to sell online in 2025, you're in the right place. I'm going to share 9 digital product ideas that are high in demand and have the potential to earn you a significant income, some even completely passively. That's right. 8 out of the 9 products I'll cover today can be set up to sell on autopilot, meaning you create them once and they keep generating revenue without further effort. Whether you're a digital product seller already or just starting your journey into passive income, you'll get actionable ideas to kickstart your business. Plus, stick around to learn about a free digital product masterclass I'll mention later that will help you start earning real revenue from day one. But before we jump in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Hoan. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Now let's dive into the 9 best digital products to sell online in 2025. Idea 1: Activity Printables. These are downloadable printable activities for kids or adults, such as date night cards or advent calendars. DIY and activity printables are booming on platforms like Etsy and will continue to be a bestseller. Idea 2: Educational printables. Products like language flashcards or pre-K resources are always in demand. These printables cater to kids, adults, or specific niches and perform extremely well in the educational sector. Idea 3: AI art. AI-generated art is one of the easiest digital products to create. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell AI art as long as you use original prompts and disclose AI assistance in the listing. Tools like Kittle make AI art creation effortless. Idea 4: Notion. Templates. Notion templates, like life planners, are highly sought after by business owners, creators, and productivity enthusiasts. These can include habit trackers, project managers, and daily planners. Idea 5: Mock-up images. Whether through photography or AI tools, mock-up images, e.g. holiday mug mock-ups, are a popular choice for graphic designers, businesses, and creators looking to showcase their products. Idea 6: Educational videos. Enter the knowledge commerce space by creating video tutorials, masterclasses, or full-scale courses. You don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead of the people you're teaching. Idea 7: Industry-specific social media templates. Social media templates for platforms like Instagram, tailored to specific industries, e.g. travel, photography, real estate, are an evergreen hit. They save customers time and effort, making them high-demand products. Idea 8: Planning spreadsheet bundles. Financial and budgeting planners designed for Google Sheets or Excel are extremely popular. These products cater to those tracking expenses, savings, or projects, and they sell consistently. Idea 9: Digital portraits. Personalized portraits, like cartoon or painting-style family photos, are high sellers on platforms like Etsy, especially around gifting seasons. Unlike the other products, this requires active effort, as each order is customized for the customer. And there you have it, 9 high-potential digital products to sell online in 2025. Whether you're creating passive printables or personalized digital art, there's an opportunity for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which digital product idea you're excited to start working on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on creating profitable online businesses. See you next time.